I'm Tammy.
Hi, Michael.
Welcome to the treehouse. Why Ang Mo Kio? Well, I guess both of us kind of grew up in the area. He grew up along Upper Thompson. I grew up in Salida. So he wanted to stay. Okay, it's a Game of Thrones reference, but we really wanted to stay in the north. But I guess if you know Ang Mo Kio, it gets really busy. It's it can be a little bit much. So we wanted to create a space that would serve as a respite from the rest of the neighborhood, somewhere that we could come back, escape, and just unwind and drink wine in. So I work at the Loyal Behold Group, and one of the job hazards of working there is I've developed an obsession with plateware. I love my kitchen because I love filling the shelves with things that I find from our travels, from flea markets here in Singapore.
Alright, welcome to the study. The most favorite part of the whole house for me. It's got everything I need, got alcohol, it's got books, it's got music, but more importantly, it's actually a bringing together of all the different discoveries we've had as a couple. Imagine ourselves living here 5 years down the road. I think when we first moved in, because it's our first starter home, we kind of didn't imagine that we'll be living here so long. But now that we do, I can't really imagine living anywhere else. You think about flipping the home and just moving to another home to upgrade yourselves, but once you settle in, you develop attachments, feelings, it's so comfortable here, so it's really hard to figure out.
Ang Mo Kio for life, y'all.